Hey everybody, welcome back to Q for You. This is just going to be a quick little video. We're going to be opening some Epic Monday packs and Arts Finders. We're going to try to get the two new cards. Like I said, it's not going to be a half-hour video like normal, 20-minute video. We're just going to open a couple of these, and if we do get one, we're going to move right on to the next one. And let's see how this goes. Wish me luck. Alright, come on. And nope, not on the first pack. I never get anything on the first pack, so let's see. Come on, second pack. And nothing on the second pack. Alright, come on. We got a 20% chance. We should be able to get this quick. And we got it. Third pack's a charm. Ooh, we got two limited cards at a time. We got an extra Charles II of England. And we got the new card here. Your cards in hand with light in the name gain +7 until played. Very cool, very cool. Alright. So we got that. Let's move on and try to get the harder one. Excuse me. 10% chance of a new Conlang. Well, not on the first turn, of course. Let's try again. No good on the second chance. And weren't as lucky on the third chance as we were for the last one, but this is a 10% chance, so let's see what we can do. Come on. And not on the fourth chance. Not on the fifth chance. We got two of the Axis cards there. Ooh, we got a second hamburger. That's actually pretty good. I don't mind getting that second hamburger. Took me a while to get that. I think I even traded for that card, so getting that card's not a bad deal. That definitely can be used for trade. Oh, we're running low here. Might not be able to do it. We got a third Conquest. Not really great for trade bait. It's not as good as Death. Alright, come on. Got a tarot card. Alright, we got two more chances here to get it. We're either gonna get it or not. And we got it. And we got another limited, which, of course. Alright, well, we got the two cards that we wanted to get. Let's take a look at this one. Your non-arts and culture cards in hand gain +15 until played. Your arts and culture cards, wherever they are, gain +9 for 3 turns. Alright, well, those are the two cards. We got them. Took us 300 gems, but we did get them. Alright, thanks for watching.